Hey, dance instructors. If you're using Zoom for your dance lessons and the music's not sounding right for your students, here are the settings you can set up so that it sounds better. The first thing to note is that you want to play the music on an external source from the Zoom meeting. So if you're doing the Zoom meeting on your computer, you want to use your phone connected to some speaker to play the music. Don't play the music on your computer if that's where you're doing the Zoom meeting, because then it won't work as well. So use an external source. And then the next thing is go into your Zoom and click the little zoom.us, click preferences. And then in the audio tab, you want to deselect automatically adjust microphone. And then you want to turn the microphone volume up about 90%. And then go to your advanced settings, click the show in meeting option to enable original sound. And then these first two options on persistent background noise and intermittent background noise, you want to disable both of those and then leave this at auto for echo cancellation. And that's it. Once you do that, just again, make sure that you're using an external source so that it's two different things. You've got your Zoom on your computer and you've got your phone playing the music through a speaker or something like that. Or if Zoom is on your phone, then you've got your computer speakers. Well, actually, I hear these settings might not work as well on your phone. So this is best if you're doing Zoom from your computer, playing music from an outside source. You'll be all good. And that's it. You should be good to go. All right. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see y'all online.